Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best metal detectors that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have Minelab Equinox. Sometimes a company just hits on a slice of perfect, and if you're after a personal basset hound for the bullion, then the Minelab Equinox is a detector you can't afford to ignore. The Equinox is one of the most versatile machines out there. With multiple simultaneous frequency responses from 5 to 40 kHz, this detector is as capable of nosing into a patch of gold as it is turning up ancient coins, spearheads, and jewelry, all without committing to a mode in advance. That picture is completed with solid target IDs that keep you from digging up nails when you're looking for pieces of 8. The Equinox offers a great combination of automatic settings and options for manual tuning. With its 4 distinct detection modes, it's as easy to set it for beach hunting as it is for the mineralized mountain soils where gold is usually found. Moving on at number 4, we have Bounty Hunter 3410001. The Bounty Hunter 3410001 is an affordable metal detector that's loved by many. While this VLF detector isn't optimal for hunting gold in deep bush settings, deeply mineralized soils, or saltwater, it's still a great choice for scanning for gold lost near the surface or small gold nuggets in gravel pits or tailings ponds. Its control array is simple to use, whether you're throwing a switch to cycle modes, adjusting sensitivity with a dial, or dialing in the disc notch control to tune to gold. It features simple automatic grounding presets, 3 search modes, and a nice target strength meter that won't make your brow furrow. Its frequency response is lower than optimal for gold, but with the right sensitivity setting and patience, that hasn't stopped hundreds of users from finding lost wedding rings, gold jewelry, and undiscovered nuggets near the surface. At number 3, we have Minelab Vanquish 440 metal detector. According to George Streeter, a detectorist with over 50 years of experience who hosts annual group hunts in New Hampshire and underwater hunts in the Caribbean, the Minelab Vanquish 440 has everything a beginner could need. It's lightweight and collapsible, and it uses multi-frequency technology, allowing you to search for silver, gold, jewelry, and more. It gives you both ID readings and depth readings to spare you the time and heartache of digging deep only to end up with nails. And like the Garrett Ace, it has a waterproof search coil so you can explore beaches, streams, and riverbeds. If the price of the 440 is too steep, Geographic recommends the slightly cheaper Vanquish 340 for beginners. At number 2, we have Garrett Ace 300. The Garrett Ace 300 is a great metal detector for anyone who is just starting out in the hobby. It has a lightweight and telescoping design, coming in at 5 pounds and extendable up to 51 inches, so it's easier to handle. It also comes with a coil cover, an environmental protection cover, and a pair of headphones. The 10-inch detector coil is waterproof, allowing you to search for metal items in damp soil, streams, oceans, and lakes. It is able to detect objects buried up to 8 inches deep to help you search for coins, jewelry, and other small items. With its 5 different detection modes, you can search for everything from iron horseshoes and silver coins to aluminum scrap and gold. And finally at number 1, National Geographic Metal Detector. If you've got young children who are interested in getting into metal detecting as a hobby, this starter kit from National Geographic is a great option. It features a very lightweight design to be easier for little ones to carry. It can be adjusted up to 39 inches in length so your kids can continue to use it as they grow. The 7.5-inch detection coil is fully waterproof, allowing kids to look for coins and other treasures in sand, dirt, and streams. It can detect metal objects buried up to 6 inches deep. The starter kit comes with the metal detector, guidebook, and even 5 gold doubloon replicas to bury and find. It also includes a small trowel shovel to help dig out found objects. The Junior Metal Detector is powered by